Well, Abdulhammed, it's good to have you join us. He seemed to have drawn the line, hasn't he?
Been done since, not today. It's been drawn for the past since 2022 or 2023. He has been doing it for long. So, but today he has shown the clear court design to fight the party, which is full force.
Now, the grounds here is that they haven't paid their ground rent. Does the minister have legal power to do this? Would you say is legally empowered to take this action in the first place?
Yeah, a minister of the FCT has the power to issue notice of revocation. The minister is not like a governor of a state. The governor is empowered with the trust, is entrusted with the ownership of the land in the state. And in the case of FCT, the minister is empowered with that responsibility. He has the right to issue a notice of revocation after proper notice has been issued. Then he can do it. So he has the right to do so. But I see this notice by the minister in particular as an indictment on the minister himself. The minister is talking about the PDP not paying the ground rent for 20 years. The minister has forgotten that since 1999 he has been a member of the PDP to date. And he was even one of the major stakeholder or leaders of the party. It's an indictment on him, even though he's playing politics now, trying to destroy the entire party by revocating the land.
I'm so glad you're saying, he was a strong member of this party, one of the most vocal members at the time before 2023, and he sort of switched lanes. We'd seen him being a strong member and, all the way back, and now this is dating since 2006. Being a member of this party, isn't it awkward at least? The minister, he didn't seem to blink an eye in this situation. Isn't it awkward? I get it that you are the minister of the FCT. It's in your jurisdiction. But is this not awkward for him? And what does it say about his reputation, being once a member who was also part of a working committee otherwise?
He's not even once a member. He's still a member of PDP, according to him.
I said once.
He claims
I said once because he seems to be shaking on his own.
He's been saying that he still remains a member. So let's take it like that. He called himself a member of the party, even though he remains a member of the party to do this kind of job that he wants to do. He wants to do a destructive job, and that's what he's doing now. You see, the man is playing so much policies, and it appears power is intoxicating the minister, and he has forgotten that power is transparent. There are people who have been there before now. You are talking about ground rent from 2006. The minister of FCT in 2007, he was considered as the most powerful member of the PDP and the leader of the PDP. In fact, he was considered to be in charge of the party. And today, people even make it a point of view to say he was the one who led the party when other people decided to scatter the party. But today, he is claiming that. So in other words, like I said earlier, it's an indictment on him. He doesn't know that he should be blamed for that. He was at the time the chairman of the governors forum. Chairman of the governors forum in the party, they are the leader of the party. They control the party. They determine what goes on in the party. So if they are not paying ground rent, that means he wasn't doing his job at that time properly as a governor, as a chairman of the governors forum. Right. Yeah, like I said, it is not proper if they not pay the ground rent. They grant to do the truth, but it should not come from the mouth of the minister. He's not within his mouth to say so.
Just one more question, and we're already pressed for time, so I'd like for you to just answer very succinctly. What does this say about PDP, right? And we've said this a number of times. Can the PDP, do they have the political will to take its stance to either expel him or remove him completely from the party?
You see, he has equipped himself. If people don't know, he has a court order which restrains the PDP from taking any action against him regarding suspension, expulsion, or any other. He has that order, and that order has not been vacated. And you see, the party has been claiming to be a party of rule of law, and they want to obey the rule of law. That is what he's holding on to. He has, and again, you see, for there to be a suspension of him, there must be a petition from his place. And as it is today, he is a leader and controller. He is in control of the party. Before now, 100%, but now it's at least maybe 30 or 20% have been taken away from it. So in that regard, nobody will have the mind to do that from his party, in his state, Rivers State, and that has been the problem. There must be a petition against him. to that effect. Even if there's a president today, like I said, there's a court order banning the party from taking any action against him.
He seems to know the law better. I mean, that's his profession. But Tunji Abdulhammed, you also know the law as well. So
he's playing the game in a bad way, trying to just destroy the party, and that's what he's doing. And you see, it's a pity that in this country, when we praise leaders, we don't praise them for being a good, they know how to govern. We praise them for being able to maneuver. It's not a good homage for us. Isn't
that our system in and of itself? They have to be the sharp guy to know how to maneuver. But anyway, I must say thank you, Tunji. Thank you so much for taking out the time and being patient with us. We appreciate you for coming on.